Welcome back to our channel, guys! Mabuhay, beautiful earthlings! So,
bakit baga ang buho ko nag-uubos at tulog?
I'm with my 94 years old grandma. We're gonna do facial care with Medicube. So, enjoy! Step 1, Medicube foam cleanser. Oh, grandma. Try to wet your face first po. Oh, with guantes?
Yeah.
A little bit. And then, try to foam it, Lola.
Like that?
No, here. Scrub it first. With 2 hands.
Then like that?
Yeah. Time to rinse it. Ay, enough scrubbing, not too much. You don't wanna like kusot-kusot like laba.
Okay.
Okay, time to rinse po. Warm water. Kahit hindi kumain, may pambili ng facial. Okay, grandma, come here. Not yet. Okay, grandma. Only dab. Tap. Only tap. There you go. Smells good. Smells like a baby.
Oh. What?
What
next?
What next? Okay, grandma. Next is what we're gonna do is
Di ma, hi.
okay, next is what we're gonna do is toner first, grandma. Toner. So what we're using is Zero Pad and PDRM Pink Sika Soothing Toner. Toner.
Papatayin ko ikaw.
Bakit?
O ay...
Bakit niyo ako papatayin? Ano gayon?
Habang ano?
Tagaktak.
Ano yun? Uli?
No, toner. Toner pads. And then we're gonna do extra.
Yung may mga kulubot para maunar. Balaan na rin. Yan, kinakailangan mawala yung guhit.
Well,
Para magtaka. Oras na mawala yung guhit. Ba, anong ginawa mo?
nagpabelo. Char.
Yeah.
Medicube.
Pagandahin mo at maraming mapapaibig.
Ay, grandma. Kahit na may wrinkles kayo, talagang mapapaibig ang mga tao sa inyo. Lagi kayong si Tawa, si Dasal, si Kain. Ay, naku, walang problema pagkasama ka eh.
Huwag mo ba? Nakulubot! Nakulubot. Parang loka.
Ay siya, kanino pa magmamana? Sa inyo ni tita.
Ay, patang mo.
Ay, pati ilong. Ay, wala pa naman ako sa hindi pa naman ako pang derma or kaya surgeon. Nag-i-enjoy ka naman sa facial natin, Lula. Ay, ang ganda. Okay, next.
Next nga.
Next is the PDRM Pink Collagen Exosome Shot 2000. So it's like micro needling in a bottle. Genie in the bottle.
Huh?
Micro needling, grandma. bagyo dati, Lula?
Oo.
Anong pakiramdam?
Walang natalsik.
Walang talsik?
Hindi kagaya ng ibang ang bubong inatanggal na dala doon sa dagat, hindi na nakita.
Ay, kawawa nga.
Ayan, nasa ang pamaypay.
Ay, ito pala.
Kung bihira ka, may
Oh,
pamaypay.
ito, salamin. Oh, grandma, salamin. Salamin. Baliktad.
Hanggang dagat.
Okay, next is PDR and pink peptide serum.
Pag ako napaputi mo ng kaunti, yung light.
Ay, unti-utay. Dapat lagi po tayo may facial session. Tuwing day off. Ay, di pay-pay pa po tayo eh. Dapat meron tayong electric fan. So, Medicube Collagen Jelly Cream.
Sabihin matanda, yun nga matanda na ang dapat.
Eh, dapat nga ipipamper kayo kahit na matanda na kayo. Maganda pa ang posture niyo. Talagang sa inyo kami nang galing eh. Kaming lahat ng angkan nyo.
Sa lolo.
Sa inyo din.
Kasi makinis ang mukha ng lolo mo.
Ikaw din, na-stress ka lang sa buhay.
Naku, ang kinis-kinis ng aking mukha noon. Maganda ang kalamansi talaga. Hindi na ako tutulog.
Ay, hindi, grandma. Ganyan yung mga ginagawa po ng mga pa-beauty paggabi. Mga nakaunat, mga may tape ang bibig, mga nakaganon. Kaya pag sa gabi siguro mag-headband.
Mawawala.
Opo. So, Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask, but it's still a mask.
Makikita na Ninim.
Eh, okay lang yan. Sabihin natin yun. May skincare akong dala. Gusto mo gampalitan yung skincare niya. Huwag na, kuya. Mag-order na lang. Wala kang makikita dyan.
Masama pag tumawa, kukulubot,
Okay lang naman tumawa. Walang masamang tumawa, Lola.
Welcome back.
We'll see you later, guys, when we peel off the mask. Welcome back, guys. We're going to take off now, grandmas. So we decided to just wash it with water because I think I applied too thin, so it's hard to do the peeling mask satisfaction. Lola, don't do that.
Hindi, yun.
Ay, okay.
Para may bukus ko sa mukha ko. Naman, alam mo nasa mukha ko.
Ay, okay na po yan, Lola.
Nandun
Ano na po kayo, last rinse na po kayo ng cold water. Grandma.
Iihi muna ako, iihi.
Ay, kailangan na muna ito po.
Ha?
Dry face po muna.
Okay.
Tap. Hindi namin kayo re-recordan. Yan, okay na. Ganda. Welcome back to our channel, guys. This is gonna be our part 2. Grandma's wish before her birthday. Masaya?
hindi lalagyan ng maskara, hindi.
Hindi pa, mamaya pa.
Mamaya pa. Ano yun, itulog ang maskara?
Pwede mong itulog. Inaanto ka na ba? Anto ka na?
Hindi. Gusto magpaganda, pag hindi gusto hindi na.
Ganda na, guys.
Ba't hindi na nalatro to?
Ay siya, memory ko to eh.
Mm.
Memory ko na to, Lola. Yan. Ganda, guys. Bibenta ko yung Lola ko. Bili na kayo ng $100.
Sorry, ang palabas mo.
Next is Dalba First Spray Serum. Okay. Close your mouth. Close your mouth, la. Okay, don't breathe. Don't breathe nga. Hindi ako nagjo-joke. Huwag kang huminga. Pikit lang mata. Pikit.
Ay, baka
Kaya nga pikit. Huwag nang huminga. Huwag hihinga ha. Ready, go. Kaganda ng Lola ko. Okay na. Pwede ka na magmulat. Kanina pa tapos maganto eh.
Nawawala ano.
Tungtuwa. Tungtuwa ang gurang. Okay, next is April Skin Toning Shot Serum. Ito yung ulit may tisok-tusok. Lagi ka kasi nakaganon. Dapat ganun ka lang makipag-usap. Kamusta? Ganun lang.
Mabuti. Paano di ko kulubot? Di ko kulubot.
Hindi ganun ka lang. Mabuti.
Ba't hindi mo agad ginawa yan sa akin?
Aba, hindi ko alam.
Ha?
Ba't gagalit kayo sa akin? Aba, malay ko ba na gusto mo magpaganda?
Gusto ko bago ako mamatay, maganda ako.
Nako, I'm gonna make your wish. Char. Ganyan talaga pag nagpapaganda, matagal.
Batiliin.
Para malay mo, makilala mo yung dawan mo sa kasino. Ganda naman ang lola ko eh. Manang-mana kami.
Lahat ng kalukuhan mo.
Next is Tarden Soothing Cream. Dive.
Pero bati si Fiona, ang ganda.
Ay, talaga.
Ano? Ang ganda ni Fiona.
Paganda ka na ng paganda eh. Baka may mapaibig pa sa'yo dun. Bigyan ka ng kwarta.
Susunggabang ko agad.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
Good.
Pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty, pretty.
Oh, ano naman yan?
Pink. Ito na yung mask, Lola.
Parang nagsasaminto. Ano?
Lola, huwag ka nang tumawa. Tumatawa ka pa eh.
Bukulubot.
Inaanto ka na, Lola. Inaanto ka na eh.
Hindi. Basta nagpapaganda, hindi na ito. Huwag mo patamahin. Huwag mo patawahin. Magkakakulubot.
Ay, kulubot na nga. Morning, guys. We're about to peel off Grandma's facial. Ay, ang ganda.
Tama ka na nga. Maganda yung hindi pa nakikita.
Ay, ang ganda. Ay, yung iba nawala na. Kinain niyo na.
Tinamaan ng kumag, hindi mo agad ginayan. Makinis.
While we're doing the skincare with my grandma, she has this what she could have done, especially with her skin. Before she does this calamansi, she always say like, oh, my skin was so prettylicious, it was so pinkylicious because of just calamansi, which is, again, calamansi has a compound of vitamin C that boosts up your collagen production. So maybe that's why when she was younger, it was really effective to her. And then once upon a time, her amiga had a recommendation for her to use to make it even better. But when she tried this, and it was a whole opposite, went to like literally like a doctor to check on, like probably a dermatologist to really check up on her, because I think she had her allergies. So yeah, grandma, I hope you learned your lesson. But don't get me wrong, my grandma she's cute, you see, but she could have done more, like not listening to her amigas as well. So if you don't have any accessible for your skincare foods, like fresh vegetable or fresh fruits from your market, or even like from, at your backyard, there's always can be delivered to you your skincare supplements or skincare products. As you can see in the whole vlog with my grandma that we use for this vlog for her morning and nighttime routine. I also want to add up with taking vitamin C, calcium, and also exposing yourself to the sun. But always remember, there's always like a good time for exposing with the Mr. Sun. You have to research if it's gonna be like 8 a.m. or before 10 a.m. or after 5 p.m. and in between, as long as like you're going out the sun, even it's cloudy, as long sun is out, you need to use your sunscreen. Beautiful Earthlings, always remember, skincare is not just being vain or it's high maintenance. It's always better to have prevention than cure, because as long as your skin is healthy, make it right already, so it shows what's within you, because the gut, it connects to from what's outside. Like, eat good, eat mostly good. You can have indulgences, like especially the ones that's not good for the skin is sugar, but have it in a moderation. It's like a treat, or it's like something that you reward yourself, but try not to eat it almost like every day and with big portions. Educate also yourself, like what does triggers your skin problems, because it connects also what's going on as well with your gut biome inside here. Beautiful Earthlings, I know patience is a virtue, but you don't have to wait till your wrinkles say, hi, take care of me, or the dark spots like, hi, brighten me up. It's time for you to remind yourself, even if it's not every day, but at least once a week, to take care of your skin. You start now. Having that love today will go a long way for tomorrow. And if you've done all the way here in our video, might as well like, share, and subscribe this video and hit the notification below. And again, thank you for watching. Always remember, be kind and gorgeous. Bye!